Welcome to Mind Your Mental Health channel, a channel for mental health awareness, psychological health and well-being. This is our 25th episode. In this episode, we are going to talk about our channel, how we established channel and what we are planning to do in future. That's what this episode is about. We started this channel 5 years ago on a World Mental Health Day on 10th of October 2020. We retired from NHS service as consultant psychiatrist in 2019, and 2020 we started this channel. Idea behind this channel, starting this channel, is to create awareness and talk about various issues relating to mental health and mental illnesses. So we are in the 5th year of this channel, and we have done about 135 episodes so far. And initially we started this channel in Tamil. Tamil is one of the Indian language spoken in the state called Tamil Nadu. And we have done this 135 episodes in 8 playlists. The first one was Introduction to Mind. We have done about 13 episodes on that. We have explained about the mind in a very simple language, avoiding the jargon as far as possible. And we'll try to explain what is mind, where is it, how does it work, and related issues. Then we have another playlist called Mental Illnesses, in which we have done 45 episodes on various mental illness. So starting from anxiety disorder, depression, schizophrenia, bipolar. Among the disorders, schizophrenia is the one which got the maximum viewing. And then we have another playlist called Alcohol and Drug Dependence. And we mainly talked about alcohol dependence. How alcohol dependence affects a person, when does it become a dependent from ordinary drinking, and what are the signs and symptoms of alcohol dependence, and what are the effects of alcohol dependence on personal life, psychologically and physical health, family, work, society, every aspect. And we also talked about treatment available for alcohol dependence. Then another playlist called Human Sexuality and Its Problems, in which we discuss about the sexuality concept, why there should be a sex or sexuality in a living being. Starting from there, we went on to disorders and the treatment, all the other things. And then we have done a playlist on marriage and marital harmony and mental health. We have done 21 episodes on this, and we talked about the concept of the marriage, and we try to do a bit of historical how marriage was in the past and how it is now, some of the latest development, and also some information about divorce and marital disharmony. So we have a playlist called Mental Health Wellbeing. We have done about 9 episodes. We will be doing more episodes once we finish all the fundamentals like illnesses, all those things. Then we will go on to the mental health promotion. Then we will have more episodes on that. And we also had a playlist called News Bites in mental health. The concept is, if I come across any news which is relating to mental health, which has some mental health background or mental health incident, then we will talk about it. We have done only 4 episodes on that. Next, let me come to the English channel. So I titled it as Mind Your Mental Health channel, and then we call it as a channel for mental health awareness, psychological health and well-being. We started this channel on 10th of October 2024, that is last year. That is also a World Mental Health Day. So far we have done 23 episodes. First playlist is titled Introduction to Mind. We have done 14 episodes on that, and we talked about various aspects of mind. We try to simplify the concept of mind, simplify some of the psychological theories, including Sigmund Freud and other scholars' theories, and we have done 14 episodes. Then we done a playlist on mental illnesses. So far we have done 8 or 9 episodes. We are talking about individual mental illness. We have talked about depression, we have talked about anxiety disorder, panic, phobia, and the last episode is about PTSD. And now aligning with the World Mental Health Day. So 8 episodes have been done on mental illness. There are many more to come. Probably we might be doing about 50 episodes under mental illnesses. And then we also have a playlist called Mental Health Promotion, under which we have done one episode mainly talking about mindfulness. Now, mindfulness in a simple form. Now, just giving you an introduction to mindfulness. So, all these channels, all these episodes will grow in numbers. For example, mental illness will go up to 45 to 50 episodes, and mental promotion channels, playlists will have many more episodes. Now, because once we finish the core basics like mental illnesses, introduction to mind, all those things, then we'll go on to the mental promotions. So this is what we have done so far in the past 5 years. The next question is, do you continue to do this or we need to go further? The reason why we started thinking about further is, when I did Tamil channel, some of my friends, colleagues were asking about English channel. They said, why don't you do English channel also? So then we started English channel. And then there are a number of people asking me for an appointment, consultation and advice. But we made it very clear from the beginning that this is not a consultation channel. We are not professionally doing any clinical work here. We won't be able to do that. Unfortunately, I don't have a private practice. I'm only confined to NHS. So that is the reason why I couldn't offer any kind of consultation. Then people suggested, why don't you do some kind of workshops or seminars, a little more wider, focusing on this. So we thought of expanding this, and the future plans are, number one, to have a website, so that in one website we'll be able to access all the channel, playlists, episodes, and also we can do little more. So number one is website, and we have prepared the website, and we are launching it today on a World Mental Health Day, and we are launching the website in both languages, English and Tamil. It will be bilingual, and this is mainly to create awareness and also offer seminar and workshops relating to mental health. So what are these seminars and workshops? We have listed about 10 different types of workshops or seminar which will promote mental health. With the launch of website, we have 2 channels, English and Tamil, on YouTube, and so I have given the link for all these 3 in my description. In addition to that, we are also planning to make our presence in Facebook and Instagram, so that we reach the wider public. And coming to the workshops and seminars, now we thought about 10 workshops and seminars, and we are at the early stage of planning. We don't know which we want to offer first and which we want to take it further. So the workshops will be offered under these topics, workshops and seminars. One is stress management. Stress management workshop. It will be a full day workshop and conducted by consultant psychiatrists. And another topic which we have selected for a seminar or a short talk is mind and its problem, where we'll be introducing the concept of mind and what are the problems which can happen. And another topic which we have selected for a seminar is minding your mental health. This is about promoting mental health, mental hygiene, all those things. Then the fourth topic which we are planning or contemplating is titled Towards Sobriety. The fourth topic will be on alcohol dependence. Now, about everything about alcohol dependence, why people get dependent to alcohol, why they get addicted to alcohol, and what happens, what are the signs and symptoms, all those things will be there in that particular seminar or seminar only, it's seminar. Then we have a harmony in relationship. It could be either workshop or seminar. Mainly this will be focused at couples partners or married couples, now where we'll be discussing about the concept of marriage and relationship, and it's not the traditional concept we are going to talk about. We are going to talk about a different concept. Then sixth topic which we have selected for this seminar or workshop is live well beyond 60 years. We know the life after 60 years or 70 years is different from the 60 years which we spend, and which it has its own plus points and it has its own negative points. So, and mental health features a predominant role in beyond 65 years and 70 years. So we want to do something on that. We want to either do it as a seminar or a workshop. Then we want to do a seminar or workshop on child and adolescent development, because mental health problems in the child and adolescent is a huge area, and many of the adult mental problem can be avoided when we attend to the child's mental health. So for that reason we have included that into this topic. Then we have about 3 workshops mainly aimed at health professionals, doctors and other health professionals, even social workers also. And the first one is Introduction to Mental Health and Mental Illness. This will be a one-day workshop about mental health and mental illness. So we will introduce the concept of mind, then talk about mental illnesses and some of the common mental illnesses which they need to know, and then probably we'll touch upon treatment also. This is mainly for health professionals and who doesn't have a proper or adequate training in mental health. So those kind of professionals can access these workshops. The next workshop is on stress management workshop for general practitioners. Both in UK and in India we'll be offering in Tamil Nadu. And we specifically said general practitioners. I know every health professional is going through a stressful period, whichever country they are. Some other countries more stressed than the other countries, and so we are going to design a stress management workshop mainly for general practitioners. Then we are planning for a 2 days workshop, or we call it as a master class, 2 days master class for general practitioners. So this is basically equipping the general practitioners both in UK and the Tamil Nadu in India about the basics in mental health and diagnosis and signs and symptoms, disorders and treatment. Because we need longer time, that's why we made it as a 2 days program. These are all the ideas we have. It depends on many factors how we are going to take this forward. As I said, we are at a very early stage of this planning, but this is what we want to do. And of course, we need your support and best wishes for carrying this forward. So please do subscribe to our channels and do visit our website and do comment and do share if you think it will benefit anybody else whom you know, your relatives or friends. Thank you very much for being with us and listening to us, and I'll see you in the next episode. Next episode is going to be on PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder.